Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through restarting or rebooting your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2. This product's linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. So looking at the vacuum, up at the top here we have two control buttons. To restart or reboot our vacuum, it's as simple as turning it off and back on. So just hold down the power button for a couple of seconds here. You hear that music and chime, you can let go. The light turns off. Now the vacuum is off. So to turn it back on to complete our reboot and restart, just press the power button again. The light comes on, it's starting to blink, and just give it a second to fire up. Startup music. Lights are still blinking. And now they're solid. Everything has just been rebooted.